Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and today I wanted to share with you another new AliExpress nail art haul. So all the things I'm showing in this video I got from the Belle Shiny official store. Sorry if I pronounced this incorrectly, but I have no idea however I should pronounce this store. But yeah, it's this little bag. It was packed really nicely and I got it just in the mail. I think it took about 2 weeks, maybe 3 weeks. But I'm just going to take it all out of this little packaging and I will be right back. So first up, I've got a ton of different nail embellishments and I'm just going to run through these really quickly. I don't have all the prices written down, but I know that these little bags are a little under €1 or a little over €1. So all of these are about €1 to $1.50 or something. So let's just start off with the first one. And these are just really cute, like teardrop lace kind of embellishments. There are 2 little stones on here as well, and there were 10 in a bag. Then another one of 10 in a bag are these cute silver colored flowers with an AB crystal in the middle. These are the cutest and tiniest little bedazzled bows. I really like these. Let me just check if I can get one separate. These are like really nice ones with a gray to white marble stone in the middle. Whoop. These are gold spiders with red stones. These are like the tilted square ones with some AB crystals. Next up is a pack of 50, and these are all tiny little like sea star kinda starfish thingies. Next up are clusters again. I've already got a ton of clusters. So you have your little rose, your pearl, like an opalescent kind of stone, and some smaller rhinestones as well. I really like these clusters and they fit onto the nail really nicely. Next up are these. And these look, when you have applied them to the nail, like you have a ring around your nail or like onto your nail. But they're just little like curved diamond ring toppings, let's just call it that. Next up, another set of 10 are these really luscious red lips. I think these would look really cute if you do like a lipstick kind of inspired nail art. I think this is a pack of 50 with a ton of silver colored flowers. Here we have a Jack skeleton, pack of 10. Here I have some other skulls, and these have kind of like a black, oh, there's the cat hair, kind of like a black backing. So they have black little eyes. I really like them, and these have like the little curved out part, so they fit onto the nail perfectly. Then I also have got some Hello Kitty ones with a cute little crown and some rhinestones on there. These are just some carnival or like mask ball masks. Really cute. I got them in silver because I really like my silvers. Then I've got some panther or like leopard faces in gold. I don't know if this is a pack of 100 or a pack of 50, but these are teardrop shaped green, almost like beetle kind of like multicolored stones. I really like these. I've got another pack of 50, and these are just like oval white shaped embellishments with some gold flakes in it. I've got the same one in orange. I've got another one like those in pink with gold, and I thought I had another one as well. yeah, this is the dark gray with gold. I think that will look really beautiful in fall. Then I also got some really cute dangly ones. So you adhere this part to the nail, and this is just a loose dangly thingy. So I think that when you apply them, you want to make sure that your base layer is completely dry and only adhere them to that part. But these are gold with some red stones and blue tassels. I've got the same kind of idea with these, but these are like big like the normal translucent gems with a pink little tassel. Oh, I've got another one of these like oval shaped gold flake thingies in a turquoise kind of color. I've got these marble like stones, and I'm just a little bit disappointed because these have got like the beautiful marble design, but then I see this one, and they're like almost completely bare. So that kind of sucks. I really wanted them to be like full on marble, just like these. I really do like this one with just the little bit of marbling, because it gives a really cool effect to your design. But just these two are like, nah, I'm not like excited because of those. Then I got the same one in a turquoise kind of color, and as you can see, these really have good marbling on them. And then almost the last one of these little bags are these cute silver colored crowns. I almost wanted to talk in Dutch to you guys. And the last one are these gold backings, like with a little rim around it. These are like green, sea green kind of color with some opalescent pink and white flakes in them. And this is just a pack of 10. So as I said, all of these bags are around €1, a little bit under or a little bit over €1. And then the last thing I got, this is going to be like a quick AliExpress haul video. Usually they are like 15 minutes or even longer. But because I wanted to keep it all within just one seller, I'm going through it really quickly. This is a little pillbox thingy with a lot of those like mylar kind of seashell, crushed seashell pieces. And I really like how these look, so I can't wait to just try these out in another nail design and just make something really cute with it. There are a lot of different colors, mostly more of like the bluish, purpley and pink tones, but I do have some green, some orange and some yellow as well. And I can see that there are some flakes in the little like packaging itself, so I have to clean this up a little bit before I will use it. And I think I paid about €2 or maybe €3 for this little container. But yeah, well, that was actually already everything I got from the Belle Shiny official store at AliExpress. Do let me know in the comments down below if you want any direct links so I can just look them up for you. And yeah, thanks so much. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you guys next time.